In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a page in Squarespace. If you want an exact starting point for a new page, same layout, same sections, and the same overall look, duplicating a page is the fastest, safest way to get there. It lets you build on what already works without touching the original. Once you're inside your site dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Website, and then select Pages. This is where you can see all the pages in your site, whether they're in your main navigation or tucked away as unlinked pages. Take a moment to find the page you want to copy. Hover your mouse over that page's title until you see a small gear icon appear. That gear opens the page settings. Go ahead and click the gear, and in the settings panel that opens, choose Duplicate Page. That's it. Squarespace will create a copy for you. After the duplication finishes, you'll see a new page in your Pages panel with a name that clearly indicates it's a copy. The original page stays exactly as it was, and the new copy is independent, so any edits you make to the copy won't affect the original. This is perfect for building consistent pages across your site, testing a new variation, or preparing a seasonal or campaign-specific version while keeping your current page live. A couple of helpful notes as you work. The duplicate will carry over your page's structure and design, including sections and blocks, and often most of the page level settings. Links, buttons, and placeholder text will be copied as they appear, so plan to review the duplicate carefully to avoid publishing outdated content. Also, not every system-generated page in Squarespace can be duplicated, but standard content pages generally work great for this. If your site uses different navigation areas, the duplicate may appear where your original page lives, or alongside your other pages in the panel. Either way, it's easy to spot because of the copy label in its name. From there, you can customize it just like any other page. Because this is a duplicate, it's a good practice to check the page title, the URL slug, and any contact forms or embedded content to make sure everything is pointing where you want. And that's all there is to it. By using Duplicate Page, you save time, reduce errors, and keep your design consistent across your site, all while leaving your original page untouched. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Squarespace.